the former president to crime. I cannot comment on that. I'll respond by saying as follows: that any person who is involved in encouraging crime, doesn't matter their rank in society, they have a debt with me and my officers. On the second one of the attack on Northlands, what happened in Northlands, it's a serious crime. And I want to report, yes, we have undertaken investigations, and we will be arraigning some suspects very soon. It has taken a bit of time because of the politicization around it. And I have said to you, dear Kenyans, we don't want to politicize national security. Any person who is involved in crime, it doesn't matter their political affiliation. Some of the people, political leaders, who have been funding the violent attacks on property and police officers in Kericho and Bomet are Kenya Kwanza of politicians, and they'll have to be arrested. You know, once we conclude investigation, we arrest them. So let's not politicize this thing. But I don't think it is in my space to comment about the former president of Kenya. Yes. Si musaidia huyo. Any of you.